Hello guys, welcome to another video of additional mathematics. In these video sets, we are going to solve questions from your textbook one by one. If you do not want to miss our videos, please do subscribe to our channel right now. Let's start today's question. Let's find Laplace of this. First, we need to take e power minus 2t outside. Next, we need to find Laplace of the inside function, that is 2 cos phi t minus sin phi t. We need to find Laplace of this. So let's keep e power minus 2t as it is, and Laplace of 2 is a number. Let's keep number as it is, and Laplace of phi t, so that becomes s upon s square plus phi square minus, again sin phi t Laplace is what? Phi upon s square. The 2 is only for this, right? S square plus phi square, right? So we need to find, or we need to shift this e power minus 2t inside. So what we will get? So e power minus 2t, how to eliminate this? In place of s, I need to substitute s plus 2. If there is a minus, I need to take plus. If there is a plus, I need to take minus. So what will happen to this? Oh, I'll get 2 times. In the numerator also I have s. In the numerator also I should replace. Wherever we have s, we need to replace with s plus 2. Let's do that. So s plus 2 over s plus 2 whole square plus phi square minus phi over s plus 2 whole square plus phi square. Okay? Is that the thing? This is the final answer. So what is the most thing that you need to learn? If there is a number, just take number outside. If it is a multiplied with some term, just take this number as we did entirely with calculus. We have a number, just take the number because it has a linear property. We can take number outside and find Laplace of each of the term. Is that cool? Let's go to the next sum. This is the next sum. We need to find Laplace of this. How do we do that? So first, we should know the formula for cos square 3t, because we know the Laplace of cos t, not cos square or sin square. So how do we do that? So half times 1 plus cos 6t, right? Double of whatever we have here. If we have a cos, we get positive. If we have a sin, we get negative. But there will be always one thing that's common. The double of this thing will come here. Okay. So let's substitute that. So e power minus t I will take out. I'll find Laplace of sin cos square 3t can be written as what? Half times 1 plus cos 6t. Isn't it? So let's substitute it. So e power minus t. Laplace half is just, we'll keep it as it is. Laplace of 1 is what? 1 over s plus Laplace of cos 6t is what? S upon s square plus 6 square. Right? So what we do next, we need to take out e power minus t by replacing s with what? S plus 1. If we have e power minus t, we have what? E power minus t, right? So how do we do it? So in place of s, I'll substitute s plus 1. If you have a minus, that's why I have taken plus. Here also it was minus, that's why I have taken plus. It's very important, you need to remember this. The shifting thing you need to remember. So we have half times. So let's substitute in place of s, what I substitute? S plus 1. Wherever you find s, we substitute with s plus 1. So in the numerator also it will become s plus 1 over s plus 1 whole square plus 6 square. So this is the final answer. So most of the question, whenever you find sin hat, try to convert into e power terms, right? Sin hat can be written as what? Half times e power at minus e power minus at. Is this what we can write? So let's substitute back into this. We need to find Laplace of this whole term. So I'll write sin h at as half times e power at minus e power minus at, right? And also I need to write sin at as given in the question, right? I'll send half entirely outside and I'll multiply sin inside to each of these terms. So what I'll be left with? Laplace of e power at sin at minus e power minus at sin at. Following up, try to follow similarly. When I'm trying to do, try to solve it by yourself. Okay. So only we have half. Laplace of e power at is that we need to take it out, and Laplace of sin at is what? A upon s square plus a square, isn't it? Minus, again e power minus at will keep it as it is, and we'll take the Laplace of sin at, that is trigonometric function. Sin at Laplace is again a upon s square plus a square, right? What is the difference? Now we have to eliminate e power at. First we will take e power at by shifting s with s minus a, because we have positive, we have to take negative. So, and also we can eliminate e power minus at with s plus a, that is basically shifting s with s plus a. So let's do that. So let's substitute into this. So we have half for everything, right? So e power at we can eliminate by substituting in place of s minus a. Let's do that. So half times, let's substitute a by, in place of s what and substitute s minus a. So s minus a whole square plus a square, right? Minus, again e power minus at we can eliminate by substituting in place of s plus a. Let's do that. So a upon s plus a whole square plus a square, right? So we are left with this answer. Was that clear? So basically what we needed to know, whenever sin HAT comes, we should be capable of substituting this formula, right? So let's find Laplace of this term. So what do we need to know? We need to know a plus b whole square, that is nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab, or a square plus 2ab plus b square. So let's substitute into this. So Laplace of, let's open this, we'll substitute a square plus 9 into t square into e power 4t. B square, right? This square, this square, this square. 9, 3 square is 9, t square is t square, e power 2t whole square is e power 4t. Plus 2 times, what is the value of a? That is 1. What is the value of b? That is this, 3t e power 2t. Right? So let's finish this. So what we will get? We'll get Laplace of 1 plus 9t square e power 4t plus 3 2s are 6, 6t e power 2t, right? Let's find Laplace of each of the term. What is Laplace of 1? Laplace of 1 is 1 over s plus 9 into, see here, I'll just write down here, Laplace of 9 into t square into e power 4t is there. How to solve this? First 9 is a number, let's take number outside. Then Laplace of t square e power 4t. What we can do? We can take e power 4t outside. I'll be left with Laplace of t square. Whenever you find e power at, just take that outside and find the Laplace of whatever the function is inside. So we have Laplace of t square is what? 2 factorial over s cube, isn't it? Next, what to do? In place of s, I'll substitute s minus 4 to get out of this. So 9 2 factorial over s minus 4 whole cube. This is the solution for this. And also we have Laplace of, what do we have here? 6t e power 2t, isn't it? So how to do this? Again 6 is a number, let's take it out. E power 2t, let's take it out. We'll be left with Laplace of t. What is Laplace of t? Laplace of t is what? 1 over s square, and we can eliminate e power, let's first write that, e power 2t, right? So we need to eliminate this. E power 2t can be eliminated by what? In place of s, I'll substitute s minus 2. So I'll get 6 1 over s minus 2 whole square, right? So let's substitute all that here. So we get 9 into, what is that I got? 2 factorial over s minus 4 whole cube plus 6 times this t into e power 2t. I got it as 1 over s minus 2 whole square. This is what we got. Was that simple? Everything is simple? Sure, that's fine. Guys, if you like the way that we teach, check out our full course which contains all these topics from the basic to the level that you are required for your examination. The link is in the description. And do not forget to share this video with your friends and help them as well. And do not forget to subscribe this channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. All the very best.